Welcome to Gurshan Zone. Today we will do chapter number 22, exercise number 22A, trigonometrical ratios. So our first question says, from the following figure, find the values of, so sin A. So as here it is A, so we will put our theta over angle A. So by this, we know our perpendicular as well. So sin A equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So over here, this is our base. Why it is our base? Because this is the line where both the theta as well as the perpendicular lies. And then this is our perpendicular. This is our perpendicular. And this is our hypotenuse. So in question, we know about AB, which is 3 centimeter. Base is 3 centimeter. Perpendicular is 4 centimeter. But we don't know about the hypotenuse. We will find by it by Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, by using Pythagoras theorem, I will write P dot T Pythagoras theorem. So what is the formula of Pythagoras theorem? Okay, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So we have to find the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equals to base square. Base square is 3 square plus perpendicular square is 4 square. 4 square. Hypotenuse square equals to 9. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. Hypotenuse square equals to 25. Hypotenuse equals to square becomes root 25. Hypotenuse equals to 5 centimeter. So hypotenuse 5 centimeter. So perpendicular is this, and it is 4 centimeter, and hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. You can also write about the sides. A perpendicular was BC, and hypotenuse was AC. Hypotenuse remains the same if our theta is over here, at any of the angle, but the hypotenuse remains the same. Perpendicular and the base may change, but hypotenuse always remains the same. So now let's come to our second part, cos A. So let's do it fast. Cos A equals to B upon H. So how am I able to write these formulas? By this notation, you all must be knowing Sona Gandhi Tol, Pandit Badri Prasad, Har Har Bol, and sin is P upon H, cos is B upon H, tan is P upon B, and their reciprocals. You can easily do by seeing my last video, and then cos A equals to B upon H. So here it is A. So our theta is here. Okay, so if it is here, then base is 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. Hypotenuse remains the same. It will be 5. And you can also write the sides. So base equals to AB. And the hypotenuse AC. And then third part, cot A. So cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. Tan. So tan is P upon B. Then cot will be B upon P. Now B upon B. B is the which side? Base is the which side? Side BA, or you can say AB. Perpendicular is the which side? BC. AB equals to 3 and BC equals to 4. And then fourth question, secant A equals to H upon B. H is the hypotenuse, as we know about that hypotenuse remains that the same. So it is AC, and base is AB. Hypotenuse remains the same 5, and this is 3. Answer. Fifth, cosecant C. Cosecant C equals to, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So sine is P upon H, then cosecant will become H upon P. So hypotenuse is by now you must know that here it is C, it was A in the last question. So as it is C, so our theta will be here, not here. So for this we will not remember this. We have to now focus on this C and theta. So okay, C we have over here, and then by C, what is our hypotenuse? Now as I have said, hypotenuse remains the same, so it is the same. So hypotenuse will be AC. Perpendicular will be this straight, because we don't have theta over here. We have theta over here, and this will become our base in this question. And then perpendicular will be 3 centimeter. Oh, sorry. Yes, we will write the side AB, and it will be 5 upon 3. Answer. Sixth question is tan C. So our theta is on the angle C. Tan equals to P upon B. As by theta C, perpendicular is 3 and base is 4. And our side is AB and AC. So our second question is, we'll draw the figure in the book. A is over here, B is over here, C is over here, and our perpendicular is here, and the values are 8 centimeter over here, 17 over here. So first of all, we are asked for cos B. Cos B. So theta is B. This B. Cos B is over here. Okay. And now cos B, cos equals to B upon H, base upon hypotenuse. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bol. And then B upon H, our base is this, in which perpendicular is there, the same line in which perpendicular is there, as well as the theta is over there. So here we have both. So it is our base. So 8. And here it is our hypotenuse. This is the longest side, in which only the base is there. It is known as hypotenuse, and it always remains the same. It never changes. 8 upon 17 answer. And one thing I forget, that we don't know our perpendicular over here by theta AC. We don't know about the AC, so we will find it in triangle ABC by using Pythagoras theorem. I will write P dot T, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus P square. We have to find the perpendicular. So P square equals to hypotenuse square, the longest side, and minus P square, where both theta as well as the perpendicular rise. So P square equals to hypotenuse is our 17 whole square minus 8 whole square. So P square equals to 289. 17 into 17 equals to 289, and then our 8 square is 64. P square becomes 225. P equals to root 225. P equals to 15 centimeter. So this is our 15 centimeter. Now we will find our second tan C. Tan C. So here theta has changed. First of all, it was there B, so we put the theta over here, and now it is C, so we will put that here. And then tan C. Tan is P upon B. So perpendicular will be this line. Forget this. So tan C will be this. Perpendicular will be 8. This is the perpendicular, this is the base, and this is the hypotenuse. So perpendicular will be 8. Base will be 15. Answer. Third question is sin square B plus cos square B. Don't be afraid of this. So first of all, we know about cos B. Forget this square. We know about cos B. We have find over here cos B. So here it is as sin square B. Here also B. So sin equals to P upon H. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bol. P upon H. So by B, now forget this, remember this. So B perpendicular 15, and our hypotenuse is 17. It always remains the same. 15 upon 17 answer. So now we know about sine also. So what we will do, sin B. Sin B is 15 upon 17. 15 upon 17 whole square, because here square is there. And then plus cos square B. Cos B 8 upon 17. 8 upon 17. Then also square, because here square is there. 225 upon 289. Okay. After squaring, then 64 upon 289. So our answer is 289 upon 289. In trigonometry, like these questions, we often get this answer 1. So we can always verify that our answer is Correct. And fourth part, sin B. Only sin B is here. Cos C plus cos B dot sin C. Dot means multiplication. So sin B is 15 upon 17 without squaring. 15 upon 17 into cos C. We have not found cos C. Nope. So cos C. Okay. So cos C B upon H. Here we will do cos C equals to B upon H. C, and this we will forget this, and C. Base will be where both the perpendicular and the theta lies is known as the base. So base will be 15 centimeter, and hypotenuse remains the same. If the value, the largest value of this will be hypotenuse. If it is written 18 and here 17, then 18 will be the hypotenuse because it is the largest side or the longest, you can say. 17. Cos C done. Then cos B we know. Cos B where he find 8 upon 17. Cos C 15 upon 17 plus cos B 8 upon 17 into sin C. Sin C, we have not find sin C till yet. No, yes, we have not find sin C. Sin C equals to P upon H. C we will forget this B. So yeah, we have sin C equals to P upon H by C. So perpendicular will be this, and hypotenuse remains the same, and base is this, but we don't want base in this formula. So P will be 8 and hypotenuse will be 17, the longest side, and then sin C equals to 8 upon 17. So you can see that all the values are same. 15 into 15, 225. 17 into 17, 289, plus 64, 8 into 8, and 289. So add 289 upon 289, and this answer is also 1. Question 3, we are given the figure. So first question asks cos A, but we will find, so first of all it is written cos A. You will write cos A. So theta A is in which triangle? We have two triangles over here, ADB or BDA and BDC or CDB. So we have two triangles, but A comes in ADB triangle. So we'll find the hypotenuse. We don't know about the hypotenuse. In figure, we don't know hypotenuse. So we will find it by Pythagoras theorem. So cos A in triangle ADB. In triangle ADB by Pythagoras theorem. So I will write in short for P dot T. Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus P square, perpendicular square, and then hypotenuse square equals to base square. So what is our base over here? The line in which both the theta as well as the perpendicular lies is known as the base. So our base is 3 square, and our perpendicular is the straight line. So straight line value is 4. So it's square, 4 square. Hypotenuse square equals to 3 into 3, 9, plus 4 into 4, 16. Hypotenuse square equals to 25. Hypotenuse equals to root 25. Hypotenuse equals to 5 centimeter. So the longest side, 5 centimeter. So as the question says, cos A equals to B upon H. So our base side is AD, B upon H, AD, and our hypotenuse is AB, which always remains the same, AD. So AD is 3 centimeter and AB is 5 centimeter. Let's go to the another part. Second, cosecant A. So cosecant A is H upon P, the reciprocal of sine. Sine is P upon H, and the reciprocal of sine is cosecant, which is H upon P by reciprocaling sine, H upon P. So theta is in the same triangle ADB. So hypotenuse is 5 centimeter, perpendicular is 4, and answer this. Third, tan square. Okay, tan square minus tan square a minus secant square a. So okay, we know about the tan. We have not find the tan till yet, so we'll find it first of all. So tan equals to P upon B, perpendicular upon base. By theta as A, perpendicular is the side BD and base is AD. BD is 4 centimeter, AD is 3 centimeter, and then we'll find the secant square because we need in this question secant square. Secant A, first we find secant H upon B. It is the reciprocal of cosine. Cosine is B upon H. Reciprocal will be H upon B. H upon B is secant A, secant. Then H upon B. Hypotenuse remains the same. So hypotenuse side is AB. So we'll write AB over here. And base side is AD. So base side you all know, in which the theta as well as the perpendicular lies. And then AD. AB is 5 centimeter. AD is 3 centimeter. Answer. And then by question says tan square A. So tan square. Tan 4 upon 3. We know about tan. We will do the square. 4 upon 3 minus secant square. Secant is 5 upon 3. We will do the square. So it will become 16 upon 9. 16 upon 9 minus 25 upon 9. Then minus 9 upon 9 cancel, equals to minus 1. Answer. Now its fourth part says sin C. Now you can see the theta as sin C. So C comes in which triangle? It comes in the triangle BDC. So or CDB. In CDB triangle, we don't know about our base. So we'll find it by which theorem? The Pythagoras theorem. So we'll find it over here. So we'll write in triangle, proper way, in triangle BDC by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So we have to find the base square. So we will interchange the formula. Hypotenuse square minus P square. Base square equals to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is 12 square. 12 square, and perpendicular is the same as in which we used in the triangle ADB. It will be same in triangle CDB as well. So minus 4 square. B square equals to base square equals to 144 minus 16. Okay, B square equals to we'll do it 144 16. 128. So you must be thinking that it is not a perfect square. So how we can find it? We'll do its factorization, prime factorization. 128 16 28 24 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so B square, B equals to root 2 into 6 times we will write it, and one more time. So 2 here, grouping 2 and this left. So 2 4 8 8 root 2. Answer. B is 8 root 2. And sin C. Sin C is P upon H. So P upon H, perpendicular 4, hypotenuse 12, 1 3 equals to 1 upon 3. Fifth. Okay, so we have fifth part. Fifth part. Yes, fifth part. Secant C. I got confused between sin C and secant C, so that's why. Secant C. Secant is H upon B. You all know the reciprocal of cosine, that is secant H upon B. H is 12, 8 root 2. So if we do 2 6, 2 4, 2 3, 2. Okay, 3 upon 2 root 2. Yeah. Okay, 3 upon 2 root 2. And then the question says cot square C, 6 sum. Sixth sum says cot square c. So cot is the reciprocal of what? It is the reciprocal of tan, which will be b upon p. So cot square c है. So cot c equals to p upon b. It is in which triangle? It is in triangle BDC. In triangle BDC. So perpendicular is 4 centimeter. Base is 8 root 2. So 4 1 2 2 root 2. 1 upon 2 root 2. And our sine square c we know, we are given over here. So what they have said is cot square c is 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 1 upon 3. So let's rationalize it. 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. 2 root 2 upon 4 into 2. 2 1 2. And then 2 into 2 4, root 2 upon 4. Okay. Now root 2 upon 4 we know. 1. Now what we will do is root 2. So we will not do this. Root 2 upon 4 minus, this will go up, this will come, then 3 upon 1, then reciprocal into 4 into 1, then root 2 minus 12 upon 4, root 2 minus 12 we can't do, then 12 root 2, 12 root 2 upon 4, 4 1 3 equals to 3 root 2.